In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on Godaddy. Whether you're setting up a new website or just updating your account details, having your payment methods up to date is crucial for seamless transactions. We'll make it simple and straightforward, so let's dive right in. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the Godaddy website. Once there, you'll find yourself looking at various options ranging from domain names, websites, hosting, and online marketing tools. These services are all part of what makes Godaddy a handy one-stop shop for all your online needs. Go ahead and click on the login button found typically at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and hit enter to log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the section titled Products. You can usually find this link at the top navigation bar. This section gives you an overview of all the services and domains you've purchased or are interested in purchasing from Godaddy. Scroll through if needed. It's always good to familiarize yourself with this section as it holds all your active subscriptions and important updates. Next, you'll want to access your account settings. Look for a small icon or your account avatar along the top right hand side where you'll find the account settings option listed in the drop down menu. Click on it. This is where you manage your account specifics like personal information, billing, and security settings. Once you're in the account settings, you need to click on payment methods. This part of the process ensures that your payment details are correct and ready for any transactions like renewing a domain or purchasing new services. In this section, you can view all existing payment methods currently linked to your account. You might prefer to keep multiple options like a credit card or PayPal for flexibility and ease. Adding a new method is simple. Click on the Add Payment Method button. A new page will load where you can choose the type of payment method you wish to add. The system supports various options like credit cards and PayPal among others. Select your preferred method and then enter all the necessary details carefully. Adding accurate and current information is vital to ensure all transactions are processed smoothly. Remember to review all entered details to prevent any issues with future billing. Once satisfied, click on Save or Add, and you should see a confirmation message indicating the successful addition of your new payment method. And there you have it, a newly added payment method to your Godaddy account. By following these steps, you ensure that your account stays up to date and you experience uninterrupted services. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.